is my pleasure to welcome you to the PNP CHR GLU CSO's Human Rights Stakeholders Forum. Today we gather under the theme Protecting Human Rights, Uplifting Human Dignity, Advancing Human Progress, a testament to our shared commitment to human rights. This forum brings together the Philippine National Police, the Commission of Human Rights, local government units, and civil security organizations. Our collective efforts are crucial in safeguarding the rights and dignity of every individual in our community, especially the people of Misamis Occidental. Let us remember that our collective efforts can create a significant impact. Together, we can build a society where human rights are respected, protected, and fulfilled for all. I urge each and every one of you to actively engage in this discussion, share our perspective, and collaborate on actionable solutions. Let us commit to turning our shared vision into reality. Let this forum a significant step forward in our journey towards a fairer and more compassionate society.
This gathering underscores our shared responsibility to protect and promote the inherent rights of every individual within our society. When we talk about human rights, we are referring to the very foundation of our society, the inherent dignity and equal inalienable rights of every person. As public servants, advocates, and protectors, we bear the immense responsibility of ensuring that these rights are not just only recognized but also upheld in every corner of our province. As we convene here, it is imperative that we reflect on the progress we have made, acknowledge the challenges that persist, and rededicate ourselves to the cause of advancing human rights for all. The theme of this activity, which is protecting human lives, uplifting human dignity, and advancing human progress, haong kaayo sa atong 5M's vision sa atong probinsya, nga ang atong tinguha mao ang misamisnon, magpuyong malinawon, malangbuon, ug malipayon.
But in a matter of 6 years, okay, 6 years lang, 2018 up to 2024, while CPP-NPA or insurgency in short, was a problem or has been a problem throughout the country, insurgency or CPP-NPA wala na age or edad in Misamis Occidental. Kaniha ako yung gikonsulta nga to ang acting governor ug niingon siya nagpaabot na lang ta sa attendance and presence of our President of the Republic, President Bongbong Marcos, nga maugyoy mo officially declare that Misamis Occidental is insurgency free. Congratulations to the people of Misamis Occidental. So ingon na kanindot ang dagway karon sa peace and order situation. Unya, it boils back to the mantra of the province of Misamis Occidental, and which is Misamisnon, magpuyong, malinaw, o nagina. Okay? Malinaw, malambuon, and malipayon. Sumuna siya ang image karon sa Misamis Occidental. nga nanaka sa higher level. So, pwede na nga mo-come up ang mga development efforts.
Full Force Ming and Hideresa, Oroquita City, together with, of course, our OIC Chief Attorney Eva Insali and the Information Specialist of the Promotions and Advocacy Division, Ma'am J. Krista Gabal. Right? So what is human rights? Actually, when we say human rights, it has a broad definition, which all of you would agree with me on this. Am I right? But we in the Commission on Human Rights, we stick to the definition that human rights are inherent to all human beings. Give me one example of what might happen without human rights. Of course, it's a possible thing that will happen without human rights. Abuse of power. The authorities might exploit their power, leading to oppression or tyranny. And if it happens, the next thing, there will be discrimination, and the most affected ones, are those in the vulnerable groups. Am I right? Alright, so injustice will occur. Okay? Inequality will occur. And the presence of violence and conflict. Other than that, suppression of freedom.